The universe is a mystery. It's not something that we can understand or comprehend too well. There are many theories about how the universe was created, the most popular being the theory of the Big Bang. According to this theory, the universe was created by an explosion of matter and energy that happened billions of years ago. There are many other theories of how the universe came to be and have great reasons behind them. But that's a story for another time. Today, we shall discuss some theories on what is beyond the observable universe. Our observable universe is 47 billion light years in radius. This means we can literally see 47 billion years back into the past, which is pretty exciting. Now let's look at some of the theories we humans have come up with. Our first theory is the multiverse theory. It states that there are multiple universes outside our known universe. Together, these universes comprise everything that exists. The entire space, time, matter, energy, information, and the physical laws and constants that govern them. These universes do not necessarily have to be of the same size, shape, or matter. Personally, I love this idea because it means that there could be many other planets like Earth and just maybe some different forms of life. This idea is also used in the Marvel universe of comics and films. The second one tells us that whatever is inside the observable universe is outside it too. This would mean an infinite number of galaxies and solar systems exist. The stuff would be distributed like how it is in our known universe. Unlike the multiverse theory, this one says that there is no starting point or ending point, no universes. It's all just the same. There may be many other planets out there that could be very similar to the ones we know. If we search far enough, we could find a planet exactly like Earth. We may also stumble upon another area that is exactly like ours. Let that sink in. Everything which is here could possibly be existing somewhere out there. This could mean that there is another person like you doing the exact same thing you are doing. He could look just like you and be just like you. Even though the possibilities are pretty slim, it is possible. This is how amazing this theory is. After looking at that theory, which tells us that there is a lot outside, let's look at a theory that is the opposite of that. This theory states that there is nothing outside of what we know. Our universe is expanding into nothing. It is a pretty dull thing after the last one, but it is possible. There could potentially be an empty void, or maybe something more nothing than an empty void. In 2008, astronomers discovered something very strange and unexpected. Galactic clusters were all streaming in the same direction at immense speed. Before this discovery, scientists thought that the universe is expanding uniformly, but this completely changed things. We will probably never be able to find the source of this gravitational pull because the source of it is just too far away. The light emitted from it could not have reached us in the age of our universe. To even think that structures like this are there blows my mind. These bodies would have to be humongous, or there could be some warped space-time too. But we can only guess, as we have no real evidence. According to NASA, it isn't another black hole, as the speed of the galaxies would be increasing and not staying constant. Some scientists say that it could be another universe. Then comes the donut theory. Some people believe that a universe is just a loop that is simply growing in size. This theory says that the universe is so big that we humans just haven't been able to find that curvature. This theory says it's expanding, but it doesn't say expanding into what. So it could be expanding into nothing, just like our third theory. And now let's talk about the last theory which we will look into today, a giant black hole. This theory states that our universe may have been part of a universe larger than ours, and it got sucked into a giant black hole, a black hole of the bigger universe. This means that our universe is in a black hole which is part of a much larger universe. It could be that our universe was sucked into a black hole and it got compressed so much that it exploded. Hence the Big Bang. If it is true, then we are living inside a black hole. This could mean that every black hole could be nestling another universe inside it. This one is very heavily supported by the theoretical physicist Nikodem Pawlowski from Poland. He is a great scientist who is most likely to become the next Einstein. This theory amazes me to no end. If it is true, we would have answers to both what's outside a universe and what's in a black hole. The black hole is a very interesting topic, but I'm sure we can discuss that sometime later.